Several parts of the country continued to experience heavy rainfall since last evening. Accordingly, the highest rainfall of 135.2 millimeters during the past 24 hours was reported from the Guruluvana area in the Ratnapura district. Meanwhile, 8 sluice gates of the Dadruwa reservoir have been opened by 4 feet this morning. The Department of Irrigation has issued a flood warning for several low-lying areas including Wariyapala, Nikavaratiya, Mahava, Kobegane, Bingiriya, Chilao, Rasnayakapura, Arachikattua and the Pallama Divisional Secretariats. The Irrigation Department also urged residents of those areas to remain vigilant. Further, 4 sluice gates of the Polgolla Dam were also opened. In the meantime, 6 sluice gates of the Tabbur reservoir were also opened to manage the overwhelming amount of rain received by the reservoir. Further, several areas including Colombo were inundated as a result of the heavy downpours last evening. As the Valimada-Badulla main road remained submerged due to heavy rains, traffic congestions were observed in the area. Considering the prevailing weather patterns, the Department of Meteorology issued an advisory for heavy rains above 100 millimeters to occur in parts of the central, Sabargamur, northwestern and Uva provinces. The Meteorological Department further stated that showers can also be expected during the night at certain locations. Against this backdrop, the Valimada-Badulla main road was blocked due to a landslide. Subsequently, the National Building Research Organisation issued Level 3 red landslide warnings to several areas of the Kegaul district, and amber landslide warnings were also issued to parts of the Badulla, Kegaul, Kandy, Kurunegala, Matara and Ratnapura districts.